Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is an altcoin chart request and we are going to look at three alts in both USDT and BTC pair. These alts were requested by you on Twitter and I am doing this analysis. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. And guys, please like the video immediately. Just right now, it will take hardly few seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. So we are going to look at Cake, Injective and Bake. Cake, Inj and Bake. And first we are looking at Cake. This is a Cake USDT daily chart. What we can see clearly that this was the downtrend that this pump has broken. And this $14.5 is an important price point. We should come down and retest it and this should hold as support. It likely looks like it will, and this will be the flipping of the next leg up for Cake. Unless and until we hold 14.5 as support, I can see Cake ultimately hitting at least $30 in the next few weeks or months. So this is a definite reversal and we have got a higher high. Now we just need a higher low. So 14.5 is an important price point for Cake and this is clearly double bottom over here. So Cake USDT is looking good and I'm expecting it to go at least to 30.5 in the next few weeks or months. So this is Cake USDT. If we look at CakeBTC chart, again, it's not yet broken the downtrend, but it is trying to Cake against BTC. You can clearly see this is a downtrend. And this is an important price point at around 4,772 satoshis. Once we flip this as support, which currently is acting as resistance, Cake will be bullish on the BTC pair also. So we just need to watch this to flip into support, and then I can see it going to as high as 6641 satoshis in its next leg up. So if we calculate that potential in the Bitcoin pair, then it's almost 65% of pump we can expect in the Cake Bitcoin pair. Once this is flipped as support, currently it is acting as resistance, but this is, once it is created as support, this would be a very big pump because you can see this price is acting as resistance quite a lot of time and this becomes a consolidation. So once we flip this as support, we create a higher high, we come back and retest this as support, and then you can expect its leg up. So this is Cake for you. On the USDT pair, it is looking good. When we come down and retest these levels, this in my opinion are good levels to enter, and you can ride it all the way till 30 and of course above if you believe in the project. And so is with the BTC pair. It's once it breaks this and it creates support, this is a great time to enter in my opinion, if you're looking to enter. Even this is an accumulation phase, so if you want to hold Cake long term, then these are the good times to buy when it is in a downtrend and it is waiting to break up. So this is Cake. Now let's go to the second chart, second request for today, that is Injective, and this is INJUSDT chart. Again, like all the major alts, this is broken out and it's currently creating a higher high, and once it creates higher low, this would be 100% bullish in my opinion. Unless and until we hold $6.7 price for Injective, this is bullish. It is a clear breakout, so we just need to come down and retest this, and this would be a good time to buy at around 6.7 to 6.8 in my opinion. In its next leg up, I can see Injective going to at least 15.7 to $15.8. Of course, this is again a very good project. Ultimately, a new all-time high is not unreasonable to expect. But in the immediate next leg up, I can see Injective going to 15.7. There is a lot of resistance from $10 to $15. So this is a heavy zone. So at least going and retesting this resistance, major resistance, is 100% reasonable in its next leg up. And eventually, yes, we can have a new all-time high also. So if you're looking to buy Injective, this is a lower high, sorry, a higher low is something where you should enter at around 6.7 to $7 in my opinion, or else you can start entering now and then DCA down if depending on your strategy. But Injective is looking good. It is flip bullish in my opinion on the daily. If you look at the BTC pair, again, it's still in the downtrend and getting resisted by an important price point. Once this is flipped into support, I think INJBTC will also be bullish. You can see how clearly this was previous support. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times this price was acting as support, which it finally broke, and now this is acting as resistance, and it's trying to create it as support right now. So you can clearly see this is acting at resistance. Once it creates this as support, I can see inch pumping, and this would be reversal. So again, this is a good time to accumulate inch if you're looking to accumulate in the inch BTC pair, as in its next leg up, we can again expect a minimum of 115% pump in the Bitcoin pair. So that is amazing returns in my opinion. Again, this is not something that will happen one day or overnight. This will take a few weeks or a few months. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor, just to make you aware. I'm just giving here my views. Please do your own research, invest according to your strategy, and only if you want to. I am doing this as a request from a lot of you. It's not necessary that I personally invest in any of these projects. I'm just doing a technical analysis as you all requested. So please do your research, and you are responsible for your profit and your loss. The last altcoin request for today is Bake. Again, this is BakeUSDT, very clearly broken out, and it is in fact at such an amazing dip. So if you like this project, then I think at around 1.9 to $2 would be a good price to accumulate Bake, as its all-time highs at around $8.5, and this is now creating a higher high. So this is a breakout, and it should hold this 1.9 into support. Once it comes down and retests this supports, it should hold 1.9 into support. You can see it over here, a lot of resistance and support over here. So a very important price point. So once 1.9 is retested as support, I think this is good to go, and I can at least see Bake going to 4.5 to $5 in its next leg up in the next few weeks or months. So again, very similar is the BakeBTC chart, as all the other altcoins were against Bitcoin. It's in a downtrend, and it is currently in its accumulation zone. It's almost at the bottom. This was the bottom price, and it should not create another new low. So in Bitcoin pair, you should wait for it to flip this into support at around 565 satoshis. We need Bake to create a higher high, and then when it creates a higher high and it creates a higher low, that would be a wise time to buy in my opinion if you're looking for BakeBTC. So this is in a clear downtrend, but again guys, if you like the project and if you think this is your long term, then these are the opportunities where you can start accumulating in my opinion. So I do not have any personal opinion on Bake as a project. I don't know. I haven't used it yet. So this is just purely looking at the chart. If I had to enter in the Bitcoin pair, I would wait for it to create a higher high. And then when it creates a higher low, I would buy. But if you like the project, then this is a bottom, literally one of the bottom prices you can accumulate in my opinion. And so it entirely depends on whether you like the project and you find it sound for your investment. So these are the three altcoins as requested by all of you. I hope you guys like the video. and subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to analyze new alts, other alts, please comment down below on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and also on Telegram. Take care, guys. Bye bye. See you next time.